The 2026 Honda Gold Wing is not just a motorcycle. It's a symbol of ultimate touring luxury, power, and innovation that has defined long-distance riding for decades. As soon as you look at this machine, its bold and aerodynamic design instantly tells you that it's built for serious riders who crave comfort without compromising performance. Powered by a massive 1833 cubic centimeters flat-six engine, this beast delivers incredibly smooth and refined power, making highway cruising feel effortless while still having enough punch to thrill you when you twist the throttle. What truly sets the 2026 model apart is how Honda has refined every detail, from improved throttle response to enhanced fuel efficiency, ensuring that riders get the best of both worlds, power and practicality. When you sit on the Gold Wing, you immediately notice the premium feel. The seating position is designed for long-distance comfort, with plush seats, heated grips, and an adjustable windscreen that protects you from wind fatigue even on extended journeys. Honda has also upgraded the suspension system, making rides smoother than ever, whether you're cruising on highways or tackling rougher roads. The bike's advanced double wishbone front suspension adds stability and reduces front-end dive, giving you more control and confidence at all speeds. Technology is where the 2026 Honda Gold Wing truly shines. It comes equipped with a large, high-resolution infotainment display that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to stay connected, navigate easily, and enjoy your favorite music while riding. The built-in navigation system ensures you never lose your way, while the premium sound system turns every ride into an immersive experience. On top of that, Honda has integrated advanced rider aids like traction control, multiple riding modes, cruise control, and a state-of-the-art braking system with ABS, ensuring maximum safety and control. One of the standout features of the Gold Wing is its DCT, dual clutch transmission, option, which allows for seamless automatic gear shifting. This makes long rides less tiring and more enjoyable, especially in traffic or on extended tours. Riders who prefer manual control can still enjoy the traditional gearbox, making the bike versatile for different riding styles. Storage is another area where this touring machine excels, offering spacious saddlebags and a top box that can easily accommodate everything you need for long trips. Despite its size and power, the 2026 Gold Wing handles surprisingly well. Its low center of gravity and well-balanced chassis make maneuvering easier than expected, even in tight spaces. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, the comfort level remains unmatched, making it one of the best touring motorcycles in the world. The passenger seat is equally luxurious, ensuring that both rider and passenger enjoy the journey to the fullest. In the end, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing is more than just a bike. It's a complete touring experience. It combines luxury, cutting-edge technology, and powerful performance into one incredible package that redefines what it means to travel on two wheels. If you're someone who dreams of long road trips, endless highways, and unmatched comfort, then this machine is built exactly for you. Once you ride it, you don't just travel, you experience the road like never before.